What up, what up, what up, everybody? What up, everybody? What up, what up, what up? What up, everybody? How we doing? How we doing? What up, guys? What up, what up, what up? How we doing, everybody? It's been a while since I've streamed. So I decided to hop on here for a little bit. Decided to hop on here and get the little stream going, huh? How's everyone doing? I'm doing great. Doing great. Had last couple days have been absolutely spectacular. I just wanted to hop on here a little bit, guys. Want to interact with you guys a little bit, see what's going on. How the trading's been, guys. How's you guys trading been, huh? What up, Carlos? One second, guys. I'm close to the door. Ooh, how's everyone been doing, guys? You guys taking any trades today? If so, how we did. Thoughts on NVIDIA? I can break down some tickers, guys. If you guys want me to break down any tickers, guys, drop it down below in the comments. Drop down any tickers you want down below. NVIDIA. I haven't traded NVIDIA, guys, in a long time. It's a pretty simple chart here. Once this daily chart flips back into an uptrend, you can take those longs. Weekly charts trying to stay in there, and the monthly had a failure to go lower, so the monthly does look okay. What do I think of BABA? Well, guys, if anyone's in the Discord, you know we made an absolute bag on BABA. I personally made $10,000. Let me show you guys. So I signaled multiple different swings on BABA, guys. We continually rolled, got new strikes, got new dates. As you guys can see right here. It's my P&L on BABA. $10,111. Saudi stocks, it's quite predictable, maybe. I don't really mess with oil too much, guys. I don't really mess with oil too much. No trades today? Got you. Started 11 o'clock. Fair. Appreciate that, Rita. Can I look at Robinhood stock? Sure. I know Robinhood has earnings coming up. I still will take a look, though. Guys, also, anyone wants to make sure that they don't get their questions skipped, make sure you're in the Discord. If you already are in the Discord, at me in the Discord, tag me in the Discord, and I'll make sure I cover all the questions, all the stocks in there. Obviously, I have a chat going with a lot of different tickers getting kind of thrown around, so I'm going to do my best. Guys. But with Robinhood, guys, we have earnings coming up, right? It can really go either way. I would lean bullish. I would say any dip to 49 to anywhere 49 is a dip buy, and around 43 is a dip buy. So that's all I would say for Robinhood, guys. Again, I don't really trade too much oil, guys. Someone said SMCI. SMCI, guys, for me, it's very simple chart again. Very simple chart. Once the weekly flips back into an uptrend, which will happen above $45, it's a long. Until then, I'm not touching it. Opinion on NVIDIA earnings. I don't really have an opinion on earnings, guys. I don't really like to predict. The only thing I like to do is trade the chart. Do I trade live in the Discord? I do indeed. And guys, make sure you're using code ZAC. Code ZAC gets you a discount. Link is in the bio, guys. Code ZAC gets you a discount. If Futures have been really great, guys. So far this year, I've withdrawn about $20,000 from futures. I personally use Tradeify, guys. Tradeify.co is the name of the firm that I use. Go to that website, Tradeify.co. It's a straight-to-funded website for those that don't know. It's a futures firm where you don't have to take an evaluation. You pay a one-time fee and you get instantly funded. No catches, guys. Very easy rules to follow, and it's my preferred futures firm as of right now, guys. I use the 8 and 20 EMA and I use VWAP, guys. That's what I use. Let me see, Carlos. I don't have futures pulled up right now. Let me check it out. Here's the thing. There's no wrong or right answer to taking EMA dips, EMA rejections. It's all just personal preference. So for this one, it does look pretty decent. We did come and we did tag my target here, 839, but we did get a pretty solid rejection. If you were to have taken that dip buy, that would have been solid. I will say that would have probably been solid. We're about NVIDIA right now. I already talked about NVIDIA. I would personally wait for the daily to flip back into an uptrend, guys. Daily back into an uptrend, I'd be interested in NVIDIA. You're in too deep with Neo. I feel you. I'm sorry about that. Neo is hot garbage, but I do trade live in the Discord, guys. For those asking, I do trade live in the Discord. VRT had earnings today, guys. They gapped down pretty hard. Daily's still in a downtrend. Weekly's trying to potentially flip. Monthly's inside bar. I would say do not touch VRT for now. Maybe on my do not touch list. TEM is that Nancy Pelosi stock that went absolutely crazy, right? Very simple for me. Looking at the weekly chart. Weekly close above 73 will be continued long and probably goes up to about 100. I sold Baba and well, no one likes you 07. I'll actually tell you this. I have my exact plan in the Discord, exact strikes, exact dates, exact quantities. So rather than me tell you and spoon feed it, check out in the Discord. If you're not in the Discord, then make sure you join. Use code Zach, gets you a 30% discount for life in the Discord, guys. Tesla, I just put a full video out about Tesla, so I'm not going to cover Tesla in this video, just because I literally yesterday made a full in-depth analysis video on Tesla, talking about Tesla, so go check out that video. And again, guys, remember, if you're not already in the Discord, use code ZACH, gets you 30% off for life, guys. You're just missing out. Guys, the last couple weeks have been crazy. I'll show you guys this. I posted this as well in the Discord, guys. I started a little, those little small account challenge. I did one for myself, guys, and in 1 week, guys, in 1 week, you can see it right here, guys. So in 1 week, guys, I put in $1,000, and we're now sitting at 7,700. You guys can see there it says past week, 1 week. It hasn't even been 1 week. Tomorrow's gonna be 1 week. $1,000 to $7,700, guys, trading options. I alerted pretty much every signal but one in the Discord, so make sure you guys are following along. Use the Discord code Zach. That's right. You got Jeremy. RGTI. Do you sell out all positions by the end of the day? Nope. I am a big swing trader. I like to hold things overnight. RGTI, guys. This is that Rigetti company. Daily flip back into a downtrend. Weekly's holding on. Monthly inside bar. I would probably just say wait. Wait for the daily to flip back into an uptrend. Then from there you can probably go long. Unless you want to take a dip buy around 8.4. If we get to 8.4, it could be a potential dip buy. What up, Jerry? Guys, also make sure if you're not already following, guys, double tap the screen, drop me a follow, drop me some likes. Really appreciate that, guys. I haven't streamed in probably a month, maybe even over a month, so it's good to be back, guys. If anybody has any questions, feel free to reach out, guys. Let me know. Drop it down below in the chat while I eat my chicken nuggets, guys. Homemade chicken nuggets bomb. SQLT. Never heard of this ticker? Seems to not even be a ticker. Let me know, guys, any other questions? Airbnb is going stupid. Let me see. I haven't checked out Airbnb. Airbnb does look good. They have earnings, though, this week, no? They have earnings tomorrow. Does look very good, though. The chart does look very good for more upside, I will say. Amazon. Guys, again, for those that are asking, I use Tradeify as my futures firm. It's my go-to futures firm. So far this year, I withdrew about $20,000 using code StockDads. Code StockDads gives you a 30% discount to any of the accounts, guys. Amazon, the daily's trying to potentially flip to the downside. Weekly inside bar here. Monthly did fail above the previous monthly high. So I would wait for this daily to kind of chop out and figure itself out. AMD, guys, I made a full video on AMD as well. I am not a fan of this stock. I'm not a fan of this stock at all. There's so many better names to trade rather than AMD. If at any point we lose 105, this thing is in serious danger and likely goes back down to $95 to $96. Excuse me. Double tap that screen, guys. Like the stream. Really appreciate those who are tuning in. Again, I haven't streamed in a while, guys. I want to come back on and start streaming. Whoa. Any thoughts on TUGN for the dividend? I don't really dividend invest. What's up, Amar? What's going on? Thoughts on Hood? I already talked about Hood. They got earnings tonight, guys. They have earnings tonight. OKLO. Uber, bullish, and golfing. Let me check that one out. Whoa. This one's been a rocket ship, guys. This one's been a rocket ship. I mean, really, every daily 8 EMA is a dip buy. Really nice chart there. What's going on with CELH and Oscar? CELH is garbage. I said that I would take a stab. This was back when it was trading up here at like 50 bucks. I said if it got back down to around $18, I would take a stab. Looking at that, looking at that area, we're roughly at the the yearly 8 EMA. This general area should hold, but there's no reason to trade this. Oscar, I don't even know what this stock is, but it's in a daily downtrend. It's in a weekly downtrend. And the monthly's in an uptrend, but it's not looking good. If it gives up $13, this name could be in trouble. I'm not sure what this ticker is. I've never traded it before, but just giving you my unbiased opinion just based on the technicals. There could be something I don't know about it, but do not like those. Uber, someone said Uber. Uber does look real good. I have a little level here at 79.9. Above here looks real good. So I'm actually going to set an alert there. If we get a gap above that tomorrow, it looks real nice. What did CART end up doing? This is one of the tickers I was watching. This ticker looks good as well for continuation. How do you trade more than one funded at a time? Very simple, guys. Trade Scientist, I'll check that out in 1 second. Jose, there's a trade copier. It's very easy to use. You just hook up all the accounts together, and it inputs a trade over multiple accounts. Very, very simple. Tradeify allows you to do that. CRSPR, CRISPR. So the daily did pop back up. It's trying to flip back to an uptrend. The weekly's in a downtrend, and the monthly. So I would probably not touch this stock, guys, even if the daily flips to an uptrend. Let me know, guys, any other tickers you want me to cover. Jose and Trader Scientist, thank you guys for the follows on TikTok. Really appreciate that. AMGN. AMGN, not bad. Daily chart, solid. This weekly needs to flip, so I would say it's probably going to be a weekly inside bar. Once the weekly flips, you could probably take a long on it. Hello from NC. What's up, Jeff? So once that weekly sets up. Random question. How much was your first payout from fund? I just passed my challenge today. Well, I didn't pass any evaluation. I used Tradeify, and as I mentioned before, guys, Tradeify, there's no evaluation process. There's no evaluation, so I just opened the account, started making money. My first payout ever was $500 though. This year though, I made so far 20,000. I withdrew 20,000. My accounts have profited probably closer to 50K. I already covered AMD, Jeff. Not a fan. This name's very weak. Snow? Snow, I don't mind Snow. The only thing is the monthly chart here has not flipped. Internet is buzzing about AMD. I don't listen to the internet. Oh, the monthly chart actually is trying to flip, so. Above 189, I like this name. We gotta see what happens with earnings, though. Above like 189 looks real good for AMD. You got it, Trader Scientist. PLD and Docs. I would say once Docs gets back to the daily 8 EMA around $70, that's a good one. Greetings from South Africa. What's up, South Africa? PLD. I've never traded this one before. Once this monthly flips back into an uptrend, it's really just been consolidating. Once it does, you can probably take that, but I haven't traded this one in a while. How's futures doing? How's the market doing right now? Oh, we're falling a bit here. Ooh, we're dipping a bit. Again, guys, for those that are asking, I use Tradeify.co. Tradeify is a futures firm that I use. There's no evaluation process. You pay a one-time fee and you get to open the account. Code StockDads gets you a 30% discount, guys. Thoughts on Celsius? Not a fan of Celsius at all, guys. Not a fan of Celsius at all. Let me know, guys, any other questions you may got. Mara? And also, guys, if you're not in the Discord, make sure you join the Discord, guys. Use code Zach, gets you a nice discount for life. Yeah, Mara is getting whacked as well. Daily downtrend, weekly downtrend. I think honestly, guys, my personal opinion, I think these mining stocks, these crypto mining stocks, I think they're done. I don't think they're ever going to recover. I think there's no need for them now that the market has these Bitcoin-related stocks and ETFs. I don't think there's any need for these miners, and I would not pay attention to them personally. That's my personal opinion, though. Digital Nomad, thank you for the follow. Appreciate that. Again, guys, if you are in the Discord, make sure you keep an eye out for potential last-minute swings for today. Not sure if I'm going to enter anything or not, but make sure you keep a lookout. Any other questions, guys? Let me know. Not going to be on too long today. NVIDIA price target. What time frame, Dylan? I mean, someone could tell you 150 and it could hit 150 in 2 years from now. Timing is very important. Whether people want to say that or not, it is. Will Dell reach 120? That's a good question. Let's check out. I haven't traded Dell in a long time, guys. Dell got kind of whacked, and I have not traded it in a while. So I haven't traded Dell since like here, honestly, like November. But the daily's trying to flip back into an uptrend. The weekly is in a downtrend, and I think the monthly is kind of just sorting itself out. This thing did go on a pretty big run, though. This went on a pretty big run from around this like $50 to like 150 or something, 180. So once this daily gets flipped back into an uptrend, you can potentially long at 120s. I would say it's feasible, definitely feasible. Aaron, thank you for the follow. Appreciate that. Let me know, guys, any other questions for me. Please let me know. ACHR. Archer. This name has just been straight consolidating, guys. There's nothing really to give us an edge here. So I probably wouldn't touch this one. Inside monthly bar, it most likely remains an inside monthly bar. If it dips down to like 750, I would say 750 is a good dip buy. Other than that, I probably would just not touch it. Got 7 minutes, guys, for the market close. Let me see if I'm going to swing anything. Looking like no. Any last minute questions, guys, before I get off? Probably not going to stream too much longer. I just wanted to hop on here for like 20, 30 minutes, say hi to the peeps. CFLT, huh? Never heard of this one. Confluent. Huh. Well, this thing's flipping out of a monthly kind of consolidation. Relatively slower mover, it looks like. But maybe this earnings could be the catalyst for it, right? Never heard of the ticker, so I can't give you too much analysis on it, but chart itself looks decent. Above like probably 40-ish bucks. Let me know, guys, any other questions? I don't use NinjaTrader. I use Tradevate, guys. I use Tradevate. Rivian. This name needs some more time to sort itself out. It did already tag that monthly 20 EMA and rejected, so. I'm gonna hop off here though, guys. I appreciate you guys for tuning into the stream. I'm probably gonna get streaming more often, more active.